What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got my camshaft here, getting a good workout. This is a camshaft out of a 15 liter. It's 855 cubic inch Cummins ISX. This is an injector camshaft. It weighs 60 pounds. So you don't need to lift no weights on the day you put this in. I ordered this and I ordered some rocker arms to come with it. The rocker arms didn't come in. But the camshafts looks real good. This is a used polished shaft. And I'm gonna go over and set this down because it's getting heavy. Okay, so yeah, I ordered that and it didn't come in. The rockers didn't come in. I ordered the camshaft and a set of 6 rockers for each injector. Has a rocker arm for it. New rollers and everything. I don't know what the deal is. The guy didn't even send it. Like UPS didn't even ship it. So I gotta call him and find out what's going on. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys something up on top of the motor. All right, guys, we're up on top of the motor, and I have the valve cover off. And I want to pull the valve cover off and look, because I ran this thing all week long, and these rockers don't look the best in the world, and the cam's damaged. And you can see the pitting right there on that rocker arm on the roller. There's one in the back here that's actually a little worse than that. You can see this in here on the front, scarring, pitted. You can't really see the cam lobe from this angle. And I got the air breather and everything still on, so you can't really get over there and see it. But I ordered the whole rocker here, and the guy rebuilt the rockers that he sent me, put a new roller and a pin. And anyway, I'm not sure what causes this. This is a common problem on these motors. If you stumbled across this video searching for answers, you probably know about that. But anyway, everybody tells me it's a lubrication issue. Some say it's a heat treating process. Something's wrong with the cam. And if you just do a Google search, it's a real common problem. And you know, it doesn't seem to matter what type of oil you run in them or whatnot. It just seems to be a common problem. People say they had this problem running synthetic, running normal oil, running everything, and nobody seems to know the solution to it. So what I want to do is I want to crank this thing up with the valve cover off and look and see what the lubrication looked like going to these rollers here, and make sure it was getting plenty of oil going to it. And I'll start it up here and show you what it looks like. But it looks like to me there's plenty of oil getting to it. So I'm not sure. I mean, a guy was telling me that, you know, not changing your oil in the oil filter getting plugged up could restrict oil. But it looks like it's getting plenty of oil to me. I'm thinking it's just a mileage thing. I mean, I don't know. This thing's got 1.3 million on it, and this is the factory camshafts. As far as I know, according to the previous owner, he never had any put in it. And so I just want to show this to you guys, and I'm going to start it up and let you see what it looks like here. Alright guys, I don't know how well the camera picked that up. Hopefully it picked it up pretty good, but there's plenty of oil getting put on those rollers and the camshaft. I'll show you here. You can see one spot on this roller here a little better. Right there, you can see the pitting and galling of it. So I don't know, like I say, what the cause is of it. I mean, some people say the cams just get metal fatigue, start flaking off. Says a hardness issue. The guy I bought this used camshaft from said he didn't think so. He owns a machine shop and they do hardness tests on them and polish them and everything. And he didn't think that was the issue. He thought it was a lubrication issue. Looks like it's getting plenty of oil, but it could be from oil contamination. Not changing oil often enough with the sulfur and everything. And it just could be something that happens, you know, when it gets some miles on it. I'm not sure. Like I say, 1.3 million miles, and it just happened. So, but I've heard of guys having it happen at 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 miles as well. But I don't know how often they change their oil. You know, they may be running their oil way too long. So I'm almost thinking that has more to do with it, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, and hopefully I can get a hold of that guy tomorrow and ask him what happened to my box of rocker arms that I ordered, along with the yeah, that's what it was. Just the rocker arms. I think he didn't send me. No, there were some seals. That's what it was. The seals that go on the ends of the camshaft and the rocker arms. So I don't know what happened with those, but I'm going to call him and find out, because he definitely charged me for them. And I only got one UPS tracking number, and I didn't think anything about it. And then I had some other stuff come in, and I never opened it because I was getting ready to leave. And then when I got ready to do the job, here we are. I don't have all the parts. So I'll be calling him and find out what's going on with that. And hopefully in the next video, we can put us a camshaft in. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.